Robinhood considers listing Teuna Classic and also giving their massive support. When I saw this news about Robinhood and Teuna Classic, I was like, I don't think this will ever happen for now. Now, most time you see Robinhood always on the headline of the news, and they can really help push some coins to rise or go down. Now for Teuna Classic, since last year we have been hearing about Robinhood coming for Teuna Classic, listing Teuna Classic or partnering with Teuna Classic. But whatever you hear is about Robinhood and Teuna Classic, I don't think that is possible. But if it is possible, yes, they can really become a game changer for Teuna Classic coin. But I don't think that will be possible for now because they have set of rules, and these rules, the truth is, Luna have not meet up with their terms and their conditions. So I don't think this year that can happen. I don't even think next year. It took some coins months before they were able to get listed on Robinhood. Robinhood don't have that much coins like so many exchanges. Okay, so before they actually partner or list a particular coins, they make sure that whatever coin that they are listing will definitely be that the coin will worth it. So I don't think Teuna Classic right now can be listed on Robinhood. But if they got listed on Robinhood, definitely they will give it more their support. But right now, I don't think LUNC will be getting listed on Robinhood because there are so many coins that are even more qualified than Luna, but they are yet to be listed. So they can mention some of them for you. I mean, they are very much qualified than Luna, and they are yet to be listed. So Luna for now, based on the history, also Robinhood will be looking at the history of the coins. They'll be considering the history. They'll be considering the issue with Do Know. Of course, they'll be considering the problem right now until these problems are solved, until Do Know issues is being sorted out in the court and everything. That is when you see Luna will start getting that support from different exchanges. For now, everyone is just looking at the issue of Do Know. That is one of the things that have been affecting Teuna Classic LUNC. Until Do Know issues even sort out, then we will know what to do. We will know how to Teuna Classic will now definitely balance, create a better plan, get a better partnership and support. But for now, a lot of people are actually focusing on the issue on ground. That is one of the things also that are affecting XRP. Though a lot of people have actually support XRP by leaving their investment on XRP. That is why the coin is still ranked among the 6 crypto coins with the highest market cap. But because of the issue they have, that was why XRP today is still trading at 46 cents a cent. By now, XRP is a coin that is supposed to be hitting over $20 in price. Well, please remember this on the financial advice. Kindly subscribe to our channel in order not to miss our next crypto videos and other videos. Thank you.